Alright, this is the end of the series. I hope they helped you. Please do me a favor and leave some honest feedback of anything you liked or disliked, or anything that helped you learn, or anything that was confusing. If you have any suggestions whatsoever about anything Roblox game development or Blender, anything at all of a future series you'd like me to do related to that, or video ideas in general, I'd love to hear. Seriously, I love ideas. But I really appreciate you watching this whole series. And if you didn't and just skipped to this last video, then at least watch this one all the way through, okay? Psych, but like, unless you want to, I won't mind. But yeah, let me know what you think. I hope this helps. This is my first series, I guess. Never really taught like this, so sorry if it's bad. Must be bad for you to watch this whole thing and then you now realizing it's bad. Like, wow, how many hours is that wasted of your life? Sorry, I'll do better next time, or at least I'll try. I can't promise I'll do better, but actually I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. I have my hair not attached to my head. You're probably thinking, now what? There's a lot of good content on YouTube. There's a lot of good content on the internet in general, and I feel like this course has given you enough that you can go and learn on your own now, because you have to know enough to learn. Like, if, I don't know, let's say you want to destroy a part, and then you Google, how do I destroy a part? Say, oh, just use the method, part destroy. You're like, I don't know what a method is. Well, now you know, now you got that foundation that you can go and learn anything else, I feel like. So good luck with that, and let me know the cool stuff you make. God bless you. See ya.